Hello friends, this is tutorial number 74 of this C++ programming language course. In this tutorial we will learn how to work with streams. We want to learn how to create a file. And for this we will create a new project. I want to create a project because it is for this tutorial it is important for you to remember where this project will be located. Let's create a console application, C++. I have my starter C++ folder at the desktop. My project will be located there. The name of the project, I will type stream test. You can write the name of the project. You can give the name that you want. I will create it now. Okay, here is our stream test project. It's simple hello world application, and I will delete this hello world. I don't need it. When we want to create a file, first thing that we need to do, we need to include fstream library. We will also work with strings. I will include string. And now we will need to create offstream, and we need to give some name. I will call it OFS. It's the name of this offstream, and we need a bracket, and inside the bracket we need to type a name of the file which will be created. It will be a text. We can give the name which we want. I will call it test file .txt. It will be a textual file. And also I will use ios.to.trunk because when we want to create a file, if we, for example, we will run the program and create a file, and when we if we run this program again, new file will not be created. The file will be just replaced. And now we need to write some data which will be in our file. We can use string, integer, float, which data type we want. For example, let's create. We can, for example, use. We can write some car data. For example, car brand Toyota. It will be a string, but first we need to write OFS Toyota, and we need end line. We need to use end line, otherwise all data will be written together inside the file. Now we want to store a car model. We will use OFS, offstream OFS again, and we will write Corolla. The model is also a string. And we can write year of manufacture. We write OFS 1992. and this data will not be printed to our compiler. It will be stored. It will be written to this test file, which will be created, and we write some data about car, brand, model, and year of manufacture. If we are done with writing a data, we need to close this file, and we need to type OFS close. We will create and close that file. Now we can try to run this program. Let's build and run. As you can see, nothing is printed because this was a program to create a file. But what we want to do now, we want to go to the folder where our project is located. My project is located on the desktop. Here is my starter C++ folder, and here is stream test. Now when I go inside the folder, I will find a test file which is created. Now I will double click on it. As you can see, here it is. Toyota Corolla 1992. Our file is successfully created, which is perfect. Now I will close it. And now what will be if I run the program again? And I will just change the brand Ford, and I will change the model Escort. If I run the program again with this iOS trunk, it will be not created. It will be not created a new file. This file will be just modified. I will build and run. Okay. Now I will go to our test file again. If I click on it now, as you can see, I can see Ford Escort 1992. Old data is replaced with new data. And of course we can write now some data manual. I can type a color and, for example, diesel, and I can save it manually. But now, and of course if I run the program again, the file will be modified and I will have again Ford Escort 1992. But if I want, for example, I will type Toyota Corolla again. But now I want to add this Toyota Corolla 1992 to my file, but I don't want to old data to be modified or deleted. If I want to just to add the new data to the file, instead of iOS trunk, I need to use, instead of trunk, we will use append. And now we will run the program again. Just close this file. We will run the program and we will open the file again. As you can see, nothing to be printed. Now let's go to the folder to see our file. Here it is, test file. As you can see, here is the old data, Ford Escort 1992, gray and diesel. And we have this new data, Toyota Corolla 1992. The new data is just added added to our file without deleted or modified existing data. And that's okay. We learn how to create a file. I really hope that you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. You have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.